I've had GoPros since the GoPro Hero HD. I'll take my GoPros everywhere, whether it's hiking, canoe camping, riding my motorcycles, obviously. It's so small, it's light, it's waterproof. There's no reason not to bring them with you when you're going somewhere. Now 2 weeks ago, I was out ice skating with the kids. It was a really nice day, but it was cold. It was minus 25, with the wind chill was about minus 35. Every now and then I take my GoPro from my inside pocket of my jacket, I take it out and use the top button to start recording, and same thing to shut it down. I do this because I can save on my battery. At one point I took it out, nothing. So what I had to do, I had to open up the case, remove it from there, open the battery door, which is hard enough to do when it's warm. When it's cold, it's just painful. I took the battery out and I held it in my hand for a minute or so, stuck it back in there, and it worked. I did that a few times, then I got bored and I left it in my pocket. So last week I was out snowboarding with the kids. It was a nice day again, but it was warmer. It wasn't that cold, it was about minus 15. So I had it in my pocket, I took it out, shoot, back, out, nothing. So I did the same thing, and I should remember what I used to with the GoPro 4. And that's the thing I want to mention today, is that if it'll do the same thing, by the way. Hero 4 will do the same thing. But I have the extended case for my battery backpack. If you take it out, there's a big hole in there. You can take one of those hand warmers, stick it in there and close it down. That will keep it warmer and you can shoot longer with that. Now if you got I never did that with the 5 because there's no case to wrap it around, but you could use an elastic or something else just to hold it down, and then that could work, but I haven't tried it on the 5. So that was my tip for today, so you can play with your toys in cold weather. Thanks for watching.